Hold on. Okay, what do you want to say?
I miss you.
Who do you miss?
Your dad.
My dad who?
I know.
Who's my dad?
Ken.
Tim?
Tim.
Where does he work?
In that room.
In the art room? Where's he going?
I don't know.
Mexico?
That's you.
What do you want to say?
I miss you.
Aw, that's sweet.
And you have a good time while you're there.
Have a good time while you're there. Are you gonna fall asleep? Wake up, Jesse. Is there anything else? That's it? Okay. Jesse, did you sleep last night?
Yeah.
Just like a little kitten. My kitten falls asleep like this too. She runs around all over and then she just sits down and just falls asleep.
And see?
See what?
And
You dead?
yeah.
Okay, it's dead.
I'm tired.
Really? You don't look tired. What are we gonna do today?
I used it this morning before I got up. Yeah. It might be a little wet, I don't know. No,
Addison on the bus?
it doesn't matter to me.
I don't know.
Lay down. But where's Jessie gonna, where's Allison gonna eat her lunch? Why don't you sit in the chair?
Okay.
Okay, I'll go get you some hangers. When Allison gets here, we're gonna have to make you get up. Okay?